Well, no better time than now. Ministers from across the region meeting here in the capital to discuss efforts to address financial resilience and adaptation resulting from major disasters. Our Lloyd Allen has more on SEDIMA's opening ceremony at Government House.
In recent years, we have faced the unimaginable, from the devastation of Hurricane Dorian to the prolonged aftermath that followed. But from those ashes, we resolved to build a smarter, stronger, and more sustainable system for disaster risk management.
Outgoing Chair, the Honourable Carlton James of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, also highlighting the urgency of regional financial support.
And in 2021, when we thought we were recovering from the global health pandemic, the COVID-19, we had to deal with the 21 explosive eruptions of our La Soufrière volcano. And we had to deal with SEDIMA. 20% of our country's population were displaced. And as we moved into recovery from the explosive eruption of the La Soufrière volcano, then came a Category 4 hurricane, Beryl.
Acting Prime Minister, the Honourable Chester Cooper, also expressed the importance of policy change in strengthening resilience.
The government of the Bahamas has made disaster risk governance a national priority. Grounded in legislation, the Disaster Risk Management Act 2022, institutional reforms and financial planning.
Cooper also adding the importance of sectoral support.
Despite contributing the least to global emissions, our countries are not just vulnerable to hurricanes or sea level rise. We are vulnerable to the domino effect these events unleash on food security, on tourism, on housing, on healthcare, on education, and our economies.
Officials are now coordinating a disaster readiness plan to mitigate the impact of major catastrophes, as well as strengthening its universal framework toward global support for vulnerable areas like the Bahamas. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Lloyd Allen.